So in this part, I will talk about setting up OpenAI API keys, basically personally using OpenAI in order to utilize the LLMs, the large language models functionalities. However, you have the choice to use any other different model. But for me, I started with OpenAI. I'm still using OpenAI APIs. So you can create an API key by going to API keys once you set up an account, and make sure to set up a billing for that account so that it allows you to use the secret key. Once you create a secret key using here on the right side, create a secret key, you'll be provided with this secret key in here. You will be able to copy it. Once the OpenAI API key has been created, you come back to your folder and use any editor in order to set up the API key for the environment. So it will be the following approach. We just need to paste the API key here and then save the file. Let's keep it, and then I will show you. You'll save the file as .n, and within that you put it as all files and save it. You can see that the file now is .n. Make sure to put this as a secret key. One final step to be done before being able to utilize this .n file is to make sure to install python.n. And once it's installed, I'll install it now. So once that is done and finalized, this means that we can target the OpenAI API keys, or sorry, models, using this setup. As I will be using with LangChain and LangGraph OpenAI API keys, so there is a need to following Python library too. So I'll do explore and download it.